We've known for quite some time that Audi is taking the electrification of its range very seriously. However, we never knew it was planning this many all-electric vehicles. According to Automobile Magazine's Georg Kocher, the German car manufacturer will launch e-tron versions of virtually every single model in its family by the mid-2020s. Two of the first e-tron models to be launched by Audi will be the e-tron Sportback and the production version of the e-tron GT. In late 2020, these models will allegedly be joined by a small Q3 e-tron, based around the Volkswagen Group's MEB architecture. The following year, Audi's onslaught of new electric vehicles will continue. There will be an e-tron GT shooting brake similar in philosophy to the Porsche Taycan Sport Turismo. In the same year, Audi will release a Q2 e-tron and then follow it up with the Q4 e-tron, recently previewed in concept guise at the Geneva Motor Show. In 2022, an Audi Q5 e-tron will allegedly hit dealership floors, while in 2023, the production spec version of the crazy PB18 hypercar concept from 2018 will arrive. Other models on track to launch in 2023 include a Q6 e-tron, Q7 e-tron, and Q9 e-tron, the latter of which will be similar in size to the current Audi Q8. Audi won't stop in 2023 because after all of these models launch, it will release an A4 e-tron, an A6 e-tron, and an A8 e-tron. The electric A4, A6, and A8 models will all be sold in sedan and wagon guises. Very few of the vehicles mentioned have been confirmed by Audi, so take this report with a grain of salt. However, if all these models do launch within the next 5 years, it seems apparent that some Audi showrooms may be bursting at the seams with endless different models on display.